Hi everyone, this is Hazel Laurente, an elementary teacher applicant of Catigbian District. Today I'm going to share to you my skills demonstration. By the way, this is my certificate of computer literacy, which is equivalent to 108 hours or 13.5 days of computer training. What I'm going to share to you today is how to make an automated rank list for students. I know this is very helpful, especially for ICT coordinators and other teachers as well. To start, we need to open a Microsoft Excel file, and then after that, we can now input the data that we need. So first, we need to type names, first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter, final grade, remarks, and then rank. So let us assume that the names of our students are the following: student A, student B, student C, and student D. Now, we need to input the grades from the first to the fourth quarter of our students. So first, 88, 83, 85, 84. Next, for the second student, 70, 72, 75, 74. Third student, 90, 93, 95, 90, 95, 92. For our last student, 79, 76, 77, 75. Alright, so we have their grades from the first to the fourth quarter. Now, how are we going to find their final grades? So, we need to click this one for the first student and then go to this drop down arrow and then click average. And then after that, to click enter. That's it. We already have the final grade for the first student. How are we going to compute also the final grade of the other students? We can click this one and then click this small box here and drag it down. Okay? Or we can just double click it. So, these are their final grades. To make our workbook more creative and colorful, we can apply different fill colors. So how to do it? We just need to highlight this one, then click the fill button and choose the fill color. And for the names, I'm going to choose the fill color light yellow. And then this one, I'm going to choose this. And for this one, for the remarks, I'm going to choose gray. And for the rank, I'm going to apply this. We can also apply borders to our workbook. Just highlight from the first to the last part and then click the border and then click all borders. Alright, so now let's proceed with the remarks of the students. How are we going to know if the students passed or failed? And how to do it? We need to use an if formula. So, if, open parenthesis, click the grade of the first student or the final grade of the first student. If 85 is greater than 74.99, that is 75 and above, and then comma, that means they passed, colon, otherwise they failed, colon, and then close parenthesis, then enter. Okay, so to find also the results of the other students, we just need to click this box and drag it down, or we can also double click. Okay, that's it. So we have 3 students who passed and 1 student who failed. Now I want the students who passed to be filled with green fill color. Can we do that? Yes, we can. We can use the conditional formatting in applying it. So we need to click this pass for the first student and go to conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, and then choose text that contains. So type the word pass and then choose this drop down arrow and customize. And then I'm going to choose green color for those who passed. And then click OK. That's it. Now drag this down. Alright, so as you can see, all the students who passed are filled with green colors. Now for the failed students, I want it to be filled with red color. So go again to conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, text that contains, and then type failed. And then customize again, and then choose color red. That's it. That's how we do it. So basically, our students who passed are now filled with green colors, and the 1 student who failed is now filled with red color. Now for the rank, we are now going to find out if who among them ranked the first until the fourth. So we need to type equals rank, open parenthesis, click the final grade of the first student, and then comma, and then click again the final grade of the first student, and then drag it down under the fourth student, and then click function key F4, and then close parenthesis, and then that's it. So then drag again this down. All right, so we are now able to find out who ranked first, who ranked second, third, and fourth. That's it. So I could say that doing this automated rank list is now easy and it is now very colorful. So thank you so much for listening. I hope you learned something and God bless us all.